Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the Ford F-150 XLT versus Lariat. We will explore the key differences in features, comfort, and technology to help you decide which trim best suits your needs. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed purchase. Both models offer robust performance, but their interior appointments and available options vary significantly. Let's dive into what makes each trim unique and why one might be a better fit for your lifestyle. The XLT trim is a fantastic choice for those seeking capability without unnecessary frills. It comes equipped with practical features like power-adjustable mirrors and a comfortable cloth interior. You will appreciate the intuitive infotainment system, making every drive enjoyable. This trim provides a solid foundation, offering reliability and essential amenities that make it a workhorse for many truck owners. It truly delivers excellent value. Hey everyone, if you are finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Speaking of making things easy, especially after a long day in your F-150, quick recommendation. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video. Stepping up to the Lariat brings a noticeable upgrade in luxury and technology. You will find premium leather-trimmed seating surfaces and a larger, more advanced infotainment screen. This trim often includes sophisticated driver assist features, enhancing both safety and convenience. With amenities like heated and ventilated front seats, the Lariat transforms your daily commute into a more refined experience, offering comfort and cutting-edge innovation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.